Who is it? Is it Rawberries? Is it Rawberries?
No. I don't know. It might have been Rawberries.
No, he's got a hat.
He's got a hat.
Should we go interview?
Yeah, let's go. Turbo.
You were going?
Yeah.
All right, you're the interviewer? Okay. Okay. This is aggressive, dude.
Yo, Signature, it's under the hood.
The GoofyBuilt?
What do you mean nothing? I heard you go in.
Just a little bit of boost.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we were that turbo,
What,
man.
20 pounds?
Oh no, not that crazy.
No? Actually, it's kind of close to that. I was just tuning.
So SMS 2000 seats?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Now we're grabbing the E85 for
Shoo!
cars. Oh,
Damn, son.
that's sick. Ooh, was that 58 something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice,
I just
yeah.
did all the fab work on it today.
Yeah, I like the little.
It's all super fresh right now.
That's sick, man.
Yeah.
Alright, we just blew my shit up on the dyno.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty aggressive.
Yeah.
She made 20 pounds. She blew up.
God damn it.
She made 586 though.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
This thing's clean though.
That's nice.
Yeah, we heard it coming. We had to come check it out.
Say something.
Yeah.
What's inside?
This is actually just nipping rods and pistons, just like normal valve springs and retainers. It was like my daily, so I wasn't trying to go all out.
Yeah.
Because I have a red Integra, that's like kind of my like race car.
Right.
Hell
So
yeah.
this was just like a spare parts, free time build, and I kind of got a little carried away with it. On that.
That's how it always goes. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's nice.
I got super lucky with the shell too, so actually all the parts, they just kind of all fell in my hands. I didn't think it was supposed to be full LS build, nothing crazy at all. But I just like got everything for super cheap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just ended up with this. That's
Yeah,
rad.
looks real cool.
Yeah. Sounded good coming in, so it must be a blast.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. I just got done tuning it today.
Yeah.
We'll see. It is
Never seen that.
50 Yeah, it's two pressure regulator. Yeah, this is a G30 660. Yeah, some FICs. Yeah. I feel like with the fuel pressure regulator, bump up the fuel pressure quite a bit. I can at least get like 80% out of them or so. Yeah. Maybe a little more. Yeah.
What pump? 450 or?
It's a 450, yeah.
Hell yeah.
It should be at like 15 pounds, but it's at like 17 pounds.
It's like 400.
Yeah, I really didn't think it was gonna
It's pretty good.
cap out the fuel injectors that quick, but
750 is not a lot.
definitely did. Yeah. Yeah, not a lot at all. Yeah, nice, man.
All right, well that happened, but oh, okay. Well you're full.
Yeah, we're full of gas.
That's nice.
Good.
Awesome.
Good.
Hell yeah.
You gotta get your crib, bro. That's cheating, dog. What do you mean? It's cheating, bitch. That's.
You and Steven had a much better.
Why?
You guys had a much better location outside for the rag fight.
That's what I was trying to do. Oh shit, it's be fully picking it up. I landed on the center. No. Okay, this is a bad idea. This is gonna go bad, yeah. I already feel it.
Martin's still yet to win a rag
He
fight.
thought he was gonna take it faster for a minute.
Do you want to see? It's good.
It's good.
We got lucky.
Sometimes you just get lucky.
Sometimes we just get really, really good bad luck, okay? It's terrible broke, but it's really good that nothing hit there. Really good bad luck. All right, so we got E85 in the car. Valve latch though, and lock VTEC. Just chasing it. Super awesome. Brad and the guys came out. Bummer what happened with Jordan's of the dyno, but super lucky with the valves and the pistons and sleeves, everything being good. The valves are just stock, and we're super lucky. Nothing broke, none of them hit, none of them lost a tip. So many bad things could happen there, but great day at the shop. My dad was barbecuing earlier. We're working on the stuff, putting CRX on the 85 so we can drive it around a little bit and store it better, safer, and just loving it. We're over here, we got the Prelude apart, and we're just kind of checking things out, having a great time. We'll get it back together. I have a crank for it, I have all the goods, so we just need a damper and a few things, and she'll be going back together real soon.
Let's throw the charger on it for a few. Can you grab this for me?
Can do, yeah.
Actually, I can set it on the roof.
Yeah. Yep, that's the roof.
Let's throw a charger on the car for a few.
Can do.
And then I've got it idling and revving pretty good, so we should probably go take it for a drive.
Make sure it's
because I think there's going to be some big ridge spots in the middle.
Okay.
And your wideband's in normal.
Okay.
Give it just a second. I want to see if it'll idle. Not yet. All right. Try and get it to hesitate and idle. I think, let me play with that. I think that's just a post start, so hold on, let me. I just go right, easy. It's just there's a couple little weird spots where it's a little bucky. I forgot we locked it.
Yeah.
So that's a lot of the bucky.
A lot of the bike, yeah.
Okay. How many stuff load is? And it's idling great.
Yeah, it's doing solid. It's sitting right around 200.
Yeah, we're like 202. I've got the fan on real early, like 140.
Yeah, the most I saw was 203 something, and it came down when we stopped.
Yep. All right, go ahead. Give it a shot. As long as you don't got cars coming. That's solid, bro.
Yeah.
That was pretty solid.
Yeah, that was solid.
So just so you know, I just want you to see more of it.
You never really drove good on the single radiator before anyways.
Yeah. So a lot of points like on this fuel map, like there's points right, you know, in this area right here where when you're on the throttle, it's giving it like 10 to 15% correction up. But then when you're at the cruising spot there where you're kind of barely on the throttle, it's pulling 15. Yeah, so I can't really move a lot of this because I kind of have to shoot the middle. Yeah, I have to shoot the middle. Yeah. So then when you're giving it throttle taking off, it's got enough fuel. But then when you're just floating on the pedal cruising, it's got it. It can pull enough.
It can pull it, yeah.
That's just where that cam overload. Yeah. And like, just so you see your target table, kind of what I'm shooting for is, you know, 12.8, you know, around there. So, hell yeah, brother.
Awesome.
That's sweet though.
Yeah, that's sweet.
It drives fairly decent for lock cams and all that shit.
Yeah. Definitely could have been way worse. Yeah. More chucking and bucking could have been done.
Yeah, for sure. I'm here for this, but I'm not responsible for. Whoa! I'm not responsible for how cool this is gonna be.
Yeah.
It's 4th of July too.
This right now?
Fire it up a little.
Okay, if that two-step could meet the AK-47, it's gonna be like. Alright, yeah, kill me. I don't know. Well,
It's gonna be great.
it's gonna be awesome. We might just be too race oriented.
Yeah.
You know, right?
Yeah. The head's
A
slow too
haul
good,
tech,
the
I
cars
can
are
do
too
that.
good.
I'm just.
All right, we got everything out. CRX is outside right there, the Prelude, and then the trailer, we're loaded up. So he's gonna fire this sucker up. Hopefully the volts are enough. Honestly, we didn't charge it since the last. She's gonna do it. Cars to wash once we get to Welly. They're trying to fuel inject the 600. That's pretty sweet. My dad's little N600. Super cool car. Bret CRX. We're working on rewiring the fuel tech right now. Just having some bugs with corruption and things that are just not working right on it. It's just, we're gonna work it out. Oh, I gotta make sure his front's good. He's got that super cool tall front end. Still good.
We said we didn't care if we cooked that stock plug.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to do a pass on it.
I don't know if
You
make it off.
wouldn't get very far. She's so good looking though.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna give her a bath.
Yeah, we're gonna have to give him baths.
Yep.
Now yours gonna be behind mine, so I'll
Yeah.
just leave the parachute.
Yep, normal deal. Mine's behind yours. Yeah, I haven't been strapping to the suspension. I'm gonna strap to the hitch again.
We're gonna make sure that you
Clear this, yeah.
yeah.
Cause you make the front any worse than it is. We'll get the whole rig. It's 114 in the engine.
Just from sitting right there? Yeah, it's hot. Try to not get my foot ran over here. It's okay. like a pro.
Yeah. So it's got a little bit of warm-up enrichment, so I was killing it, but it doesn't want to idle when I first fired on, so I got to keep it running.
It smells
So,
totally different now that it's on E.
It's way different. It, like, yeah, I got to give it a little bit of gas when I fire it up, and then I got to keep it idle until it's happy, and then it's good. But yeah. I'm vibrating. They're calling me. Bjorne's working on putting his motor together right now with oh no, actually this is Brad. Everyone's just calling.
Everyone's blowing you up.
What up, dude? What up, dude? Oh, reckon right. I got the Prelude and the CRX home for the 4th. We'll have some awesome festivities. Super sick in the driveway with the goon banners and everything posted up. Got the long trailer posted on the side here. Mario snaked her in. Good job. It's not easy working on our little street here. Yeah, a little bit of yard work to do and stuff for the 4th, but it's gonna be it's gonna be awesome, big event. Super stoked for the whole thing. Hot units. So I've been over here, I've been doing all kinds of stuff, getting ready for the 4th of July, getting stuff done at the shop. I got the B16 all done on this engine stand here, transmission on it, everything ready to go. The Type R trans is back from Morgan, back in the car. Jordan's, I just need to drop the whole engine. Need to pull the engine out. I've got a crank, I got the parts. Jamie, we need to order a timing belt and a couple of things. So I'll get with him, get that stuff coming. And yeah, we've just been cranking every which way. I got a gasket right here. When I had Jamie order me one for the CRX, I ordered 2. So I have a gasket, need to get 2 on the way if I'm gonna use that one, so I'll just have them here. But yeah, just running through everything, trying to get everything knocked out. We got stuff coming up. We're gonna be heading out to the Goon Garage, or the Goo Garage, the Goo Lagoon Garage, whatever. You know, we're gonna be headed out to the Goo Lagoon Garage this weekend, wiring up Nick's 4-door sedan EG Civic case swap with the Fuel Tech. And then after that, we'll be doing the double whammy and wiring the DA up probably the next weekend or whatever. We're gonna see what we got time. Just trying to fit it all into the schedule and get it all done before the August race while I'm building Steven's stuff and helping Steven get his going. Because I just picked up Steven's block this morning from the machine shop. So I need to go ahead and get the pistons, rods, everything in this thing. And they need to get his head welded up so I can get the head dropped off the machine shop. Steven needs me to build the short block, drop that back off the house. He's gonna finish up putting the head and everything on it. So I just need to get the head welded up and then decked and back to him with the right rockers and everything in it. So he can go ahead and just finish up getting it all together. Car's coming together really close, really good. Technically when he took it apart, it just needed a transmission. All the transmission parts are over there, but he took apart the motors, put a motor to refresh it. So gotta put the motor back together, drop the trans off at Morgan's. We got all the stuff. I think we're just waiting on diff bolts. We make sure we have good diff bolts when it gets dropped off, and then drop it off at Morgan's, get that built and going in his car. Just trying to take care of all the odds and ends, get everything going at the same time. Still working on the K-Swap, EG, and Integra.